Alright guys, today we're gonna go to the canyons with Alfredo, Blake, and Juice. So we're gonna go up to Azusa Canyon. We're gonna go meet up at Alfredo's first, and then go meet up at a gas station. So I'll probably start recording from the GoPro when we get to the gas station meetup spot. But yeah, we're gonna go all the way up Azusa and go have some fun, and hopefully go hoon all the cars.
Molo wanna be.
Alright guys, we made it to the first stop. It's pretty scenic. I don't know, I'm ready to keep driving, to be honest. Is this the only stop we have or what? What a beautiful view. Oh wait, are you pissing in there?
Huh?
Are you pissing?
I'm adding to the drinking water.
Okay. Alright then guys, well we showed up to the point, but it's like we're in the clouds right now, so gonna take some sick cinematic stuff, maybe we'll get some people to dip, and then we can get some donut action in. But yeah,
point at me when
but yeah, there's snow and shit, so my transmission's hot as fuck, so I might throw some snow on it real quick. But yeah, we're gonna hang out. Fuck.
The homie pulled up.
Oh dude, yeah, fucking Lambo, holy shit.
Yeah, you won.
God damn, dude. Alright guys, well, I'm pretty sure it's Mexico time. Fred's getting ready, so should be pretty sick. Are you gonna go, Blake? Are you gonna go?
Yeah, I'll try, but it's not gonna be spectacular. Don't expect much.
Dude, a donut is a donut, okay?
Yeah.
We'll take what we can get.
Open dip donut is a donut.
That's weak! Weak! Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna go?
Safety first.
Safety. Donut. Alfredo, what the fuck are you doing? Get that piece of shit off the mountain.
Oh, here comes the cloud. Ow!
What do you guys get?